I'm Bart from Go Fast Videos, and today we're gonna up the looks of our Cadillac Lyriq. Now this is a 2024, and I think it would look a lot better if it had some like flares on it. But the only option we really have out there is mud flaps right now. Now a pair of mud flaps from GM, if you look on the OnStar app, is $170 for just the front pair, painted in black, and the back pair is also $170. So combine that together, $340 plus tax and shipping. So pretty expensive. So what we did is we went out to AliExpress and found an actual, it says it's OEM, and I did a quick comparison. It actually fits quite nicely. And then I took some satin black, some gloss black, and I painted it myself, and it turned out pretty nice. Make sure that you use alcohol pads to get all the debris off of it. But let's go ahead and see how hard it is to actually install this. Okay, so the first problem we had was the little tool that they provide with the kit. The little Torx end, I think that's what it's called, is too big to fit the screws that are in the Cadillac. So what I did is I went to my trusty tool set, or little bit set, and I found a super small Torx on it. And let's go ahead and take these bolts out. One. Okay, so what I did is I took that top screw back out and I took a look to see if this one right here is really needed. And you can stick a screw through there if you want. So let's do that. Okay, so what I did is you actually have to use a Phillips head screwdriver. I went ahead and put that bit in, and I went ahead and drilled that right into the fender. So you will have to make a tiny bitty hole right there, but it should be okay. And it really matches the vehicle. Okay, so the back one, as you can see, it's, of course, I painted it too. And it has 3 holes, one right here, and then one right here, and one right here. So the first thing we need to do is get the screws out of the Lyriq, and we'll see if we can use them again. So let's take a look at that, see how hard it's going to be to get those out. Okay, here's a little tool that'll come in really handy right here, so I don't have to take off the wheel. It's just like a little ratcheting tool, and it'll allow me to get in here. So I remembered I had this. I went in and got it, inserted my little Torx tip in there. Let's go ahead and put the last 2 in. And there you have it. It's totally on, it's tight, it looks beautiful. So remember, if you don't have a little tool such as this, you can always use some pliers like I did at first. It makes it a little bit hard. as a last resort, you could always take the wheel off itself. That's a little bit harder, makes it tough. But you just saw in probably 10 minutes, maybe 20, I was able to do this side of the vehicle, and they look beautiful. So there you have it. Save yourself $340 plus tax and shipping, all for the price of about a $6 can of spray paint, about $34 from the internet. I think I got AliExpress, and you'll make your Lyriq look beautiful. It really looks nice, really sets it off. Well, we'll get back with you with our next modification. Have a great day in your Lyriq.